There's a cicadas sing. The song slips down behind the trees like it's got nothing left to prove. A little glow on the edge of the clouds, a little peace in the room. My jeans are stained from a long damn day. My hands still smell like work, but the wind moves low behind those battered trees and loosens what still hurts. I don't need thunder, I don't need rain. Sometimes healing comes quiet. At the end of the day, that last bit of light when the cicadas sing washes the weight off everything. Not all at once, not loud, not clean, just enough to let me breathe. And I stand right there where the daylight fades, with the world turning soft and slow. That last bit of light when the cicadas sing feels like mercy coming home. There's a screen door crying behind me, and a porch light starting to glow. The fields go dark by inches, like the good Lord's moving slow. I've carried words I never said, regrets I never named, but dust don't ask me where I've been, it just covers me the same. I don't need answers, I don't need signs. Sometimes peace finds a man when he stops chasing time. That last bit of light when the cicadas sing washes the weight off everything. Not all at once, not loud, not clean, just enough to let me breathe. And I stand right there where the daylight fades, with the world turning soft and slow. That last bit of light when the cicadas sing feels like mercy coming home. Hey! Oh yeah! Maybe grace ain't a lightning strike, maybe it don't shake the ground. Maybe it's just that evening hum when the noise finally settles down. Maybe souls don't always break, maybe they just been too long, till the night rolls in like a gentle hand and reminds them they belong. That last bit of light when the cicadas sing washes the weight off everything. Not all at once, not loud, not clean, just enough to let me breathe. And I stand right there where the daylight fades, with my heart finally letting go. That last bit of light when the cicadas sing feels like mercy coming home. Yeah, that last bit of light, that low evening song. The world don't feel so heavy when the cicadas sing me home.